A repairman notices something wrong with a young girl and instantly jumps into action. Mark Bowman, a U.S. veteran and skilled contractor, was contacted by the Duffy family for what seemed like a routine job. The home needed landscaping, interior door replacements, and gutter cleaning. Nothing unusual. Mark sent his trusted employee, Dean, to take a look. But during the inspection, Dean noticed something troubling. The family's young daughter, Lucy, looked visibly distressed. The atmosphere in the home was heavy, and her parents seemed emotionally and physically drained. Dean couldn't shake the feeling that something deeper was going on, so he shared his concerns with Mark. Sensing that this was more than just a home improvement task, Mark decided to visit the family himself. That's when he uncovered the heartbreaking truth. Lucy was battling a serious illness. The Duffys were overwhelmed by medical expenses, and the repairs they needed were simply beyond their reach. Mark didn't hesitate. He looked the family in the eye and told them he would take care of everything, completely free of charge. Just days later, Mark and his crew rolled up their sleeves and got to work. They landscaped the yard, repaired brickwork, replaced doors, cleaned the gutters, and even installed a cat door. They brought gifts for the children, making the home feel a little lighter, a little more hopeful. Thanks to Mark's selfless generosity, the Duffy family received the help they so desperately needed without the burden of cost. His actions were a powerful reminder that kindness and compassion can still change lives. If stories like this inspire you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more uplifting stories like this one.